Welcome to Sonya ABC TV.
Let's learn 5-letter words. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. H-O-U-S-E, house. H-O-U-S-E, house. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. S-N-A-K-E, snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza. C-A-N-D-Y, candy. C-A-N-D-Y, candy. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. B-R-E-A-D, bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. C-H-A-I-R, chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. T-A-B-L-E, table. T-A-B-L-E, table. R-O-B-O-T, robot. R-O-B-O-T, robot. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. C-L-O-C-K, clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. S-M-I-L-E, smile. S-M-I-L-E, smile. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. T-R-U-C-K, truck. T-R-U-C-K, truck. P-L-A-N-T, plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. B-E-A-C-H, beach. B-E-A-C-H, beach.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Sonya ABC TV.